Have your legs been feeling weak lately, as if they just don't carry you the way they used to? Perhaps you've been getting tired faster during a simple walk, or maybe you're struggling to feel steady on your feet, especially in the morning. You are not alone, and this frustrating decline is not just a mandatory part of getting older. In fact, new research is revealing a stunning truth. Certain natural, time-tested teas can actually help rebuild leg strength, improve blood flow, powerfully reduce the inflammation that causes stiffness, and give your energy levels a serious, sustained boost. This isn't about relying on pills or painful exercises. These are simple, safe, and scientifically backed daily rituals. Consider this. A long-term study in Japan followed thousands of older adults and found that those who regularly drank green tea were far more likely to maintain their muscle strength and balance as they aged. It's a secret that has been hiding in plain sight for centuries. In this video, we are revealing the top 3 best teas for seniors looking to boost their leg strength and reclaim their energy. Each one has been carefully chosen and fact-checked by a team of health researchers, so you can trust the information you are getting. And if you stick with me to the very end, I will also share one surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of, but it has been shown to supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue in older adults. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. The 3 teas to rebuild and revitalize. Number 1. Ginger turmeric tea, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Let's begin with a warm, soothing cup of ginger turmeric tea. This simple drink can be a true game changer for older adults who want stronger legs and a natural surge of energy. If you've noticed your legs feeling heavy when you walk, or if you get tired by the time you reach the top of the stairs, this tea might quickly become one of your favorite daily habits. Here is the science behind why it works so well. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory roots. When you combine them, they don't just give your tea a comforting, spicy flavor. They actively work to soothe the chronic, low-grade inflammation that leads to sore joints, morning stiffness, and pervasive muscle fatigue. For many seniors, it's not just weak muscles holding them back. It's the constant aching and swelling that comes after even light activity. Ginger turmeric tea goes right to the source of that problem. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger contains natural bioactive compounds called gingerols, which studies show help improve blood circulation. Think of your legs as hard-working machines. They need a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood to stay strong and rebuild from daily wear and tear. When circulation slows down with age, muscles don't get the nutrients they need, and that's when fatigue and unsteadiness creep in. Drinking ginger tea regularly can gently boost blood flow, helping your legs feel more alive and making each step feel more confident. Now let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound famous for its ability to fight inflammation at a molecular level. It works by blocking NF-kappa B, a master molecule that turns on the genes related to inflammation in your body. By calming this pathway, curcumin helps protect your muscles from breaking down and supports their recovery after activity. If your knees pop when you stand or you feel sore after a short walk, curcumin can help calm all that down. Here's something most people don't realize. This tea also provides a gentle, non-jittery energy boost. Unlike coffee, which can give you a spike and a crash, ginger naturally supports your metabolism, helping your body turn food into usable energy more efficiently. Instead of feeling sluggish after lunch, you might notice you feel more alert and motivated. How to prepare it? This healing tea is incredibly easy to prepare at home. All you need are a few slices of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of brown turmeric, or fresh turmeric root if you can find it, and hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Crucially, add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been scientifically shown to increase your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Sweeten with a little raw honey or a squeeze of lemon if you like. That's it. 1 cup a day, especially in the morning, can do wonders for how your legs feel. Number 2. Ginseng green tea, the revitalizing energizer. Now let's move on to something truly revitalizing, ginseng green tea. If you've been feeling drained lately, like your legs give out halfway through your errands or you just can't find that spark to keep moving, this tea could be exactly what your body has been asking for. Ginseng green tea acts like a gentle but powerful wake-up call to your entire system, your muscles, your brain, and yes, those tired legs. Here's what makes it so special. We're blending two ancient and powerful plants. First, green tea, which is loaded with antioxidants. Second, ginseng, a root used for centuries in traditional medicine to fight fatigue, build strength, and restore vitality. Why ginseng helps your legs? Ginseng is famous for its adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps your body handle and adapt to stress. Aging, believe it or not, creates a constant low-level stress on our muscles and joints. Ginseng helps to ease that internal stress, giving your body more resilience so your legs don't feel like they're fighting against you with every move. But there's more. Research shows that the active compounds in ginseng, called ginsenosides, can actually improve muscle performance and endurance. They help your muscle cells use oxygen more efficiently, which translates directly to better stamina and less tiredness. The role of green tea. Pair that with green tea and you get even more benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, the most potent of which is EGCG. These compounds are masters at fighting free radicals in your muscles and joints. Free radicals cause cellular damage over time, making your legs feel older than they really are. But the real magic of green tea is the combination of its low dose of caffeine with an amino acid called L-theanine. This pairing provides a smooth, balanced lift in energy without the jitters or crash of coffee. It creates a state of calm alertness. The mental boost matters. Here's something many people overlook. When you feel sharper and more energized mentally, you naturally want to move more. That motivation leads to using your legs more often, which gradually rebuilds their strength. In other words, ginseng green tea doesn't just fuel your body, it sparks the mindset that helps you stay active. How to prepare it? Boil a cup of water and let it cool for a minute so it's not scalding, which can damage the delicate compounds in green tea. Steep a green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add a few thin slices of fresh ginger root or about a quarter teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Let it steep for another 5 minutes. Drink it daily for the best results. Research from the American Journal of Chinese Medicine shows that older adults taking ginseng regularly experienced better lower body strength and less fatigue during daily activities. Number 3. Ashwagandha root tea, the strength and serenity restorer. Now let's talk about a very special tea that does more than just support your legs. It helps bring back balance, calm, and strength to your entire body. It's called ashwagandha root tea, and if you've never tried it, you might be in for a wonderful surprise. Ashwagandha is the king of adaptogenic herbs, meaning it helps your body handle stress, fatigue, and the general wear and tear of aging. For older adults, this is incredibly important. As we age, muscles don't just weaken from a lack of activity, they're also broken down by chronic stress, poor sleep, and hormonal changes. Hormones like cortisol and testosterone play a huge role in energy and muscle tone. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and instead of feeling stiff, tired, or anxious, you feel grounded and calm. You stretch, and your legs feel ready to move. You stand up and notice that heavy feeling is lighter. That's the kind of subtle but profound daily shift that many people report after adding ashwagandha tea to their routine. How it works in your body. When we're chronically stressed, our bodies release too much cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Over time, high cortisol levels actively weaken muscles, increase belly fat, and drain your energy. Ashwagandha helps to regulate cortisol by balancing your body's central stress response system, known as the HPA axis. This calms your nervous system and sends your body a clear message: you're safe.
You can relax. You can rebuild. That shift alone helps your body prioritize healing and muscle restoration. But that's not all. Several studies have shown that ashwagandha can directly increase muscle strength and endurance, even in older adults. In one clinical trial, seniors who took ashwagandha daily saw measurable improvements in lower body strength, better balance, and increased stamina within just a few weeks. Furthermore, research indicates that ashwagandha can support healthy testosterone levels in both men and women. Testosterone is a crucial hormone for muscle maintenance that naturally declines with age, and supporting it can make a huge difference in preserving strength. Support for nerves and sleep. If you've ever felt shaky or unsteady, neuromuscular connections might be part of the problem. Ashwagandha helps to strengthen those connections, improving your coordination and responsiveness. And if you struggle with sleep, this tea truly shines. Drinking it in the evening can help quiet your mind and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Better sleep means better muscle recovery, because our muscles repair themselves while we rest. How to prepare it? The best way to make the tea is from the dried root. Use about 1 teaspoon of the root and simmer it gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain it and drink it warm. It has a slightly earthy, nutty taste that pairs beautifully with warm spices like cinnamon or a touch of honey. Some people drink it in the morning for all-day calm, while others prefer it at night to promote muscle recovery as they sleep. The surprising ingredient. So there you have it. 3 powerful natural teas that can truly change how your legs feel and how much energy you have each day. Ginger turmeric tea to calm inflammation, ginseng green tea to boost stamina, and ashwagandha root tea to restore balance and support overnight recovery. These aren't just warm, comforting drinks. They are simple, daily tools to help you walk steadier, feel stronger, and move through life with more confidence and less pain. Remember, the secret is consistency. And now for the surprising ingredient I promised at the beginning. To supercharge the circulation-boosting effects of any of these teas, especially the ginger turmeric tea, consider adding a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. Cayenne contains a compound called capsaicin, which is a powerful natural vasodilator. It helps to open up your blood vessels and can dramatically improve blood flow to your extremities, like your legs and feet. Just a small pinch is enough to amplify the effects and deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your tired muscles. If this video helped you, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, research-backed health tips made just for you. You truly deserve to feel strong again. Thank you for watching.